What's happening, everybody? Beachin With The Boones here, and guess what? We're down here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, right on the strip. And look who we ran into, Carolina Tony. Say what's up.
Hey y'all.
Carolina Tony, go check out his channel. He does a lot of South Carolina, North Carolina, Georgia, and anything you want to see, ain't that right?
Anything.
Tell him a little bit.
Little bit.
Go check out his channel.
Anything from race cars to barbecue, he's your man.
That's
Check
your man.
it out.
Nothing's off the table.
Nothing's off the table. So let's go check out some stuff down here on the strip so you can keep beaching.
Yep, there we go. They got it.
Get it?
They got it.
Hey!
Gotta look out for those balls. As you can tell, it's a beautiful Saturday morning in Myrtle Beach. Lots of people as always. Typical Saturday. People at the Bowery. Alright, here. So, alright. Volleyball players, as Brian mentioned earlier, always out playing. Gonna show Tony the new boardwalk, something to be proud of. And it looks like all our locals and tourists are enjoying it. We even have the Myrtle Beach police on bicycles today.
Okay, so you said you've been to the Gay Dolphin when you were younger.
I went to the Gay Dolphin many times as a child, and up at the very top you could climb a spiral staircase and come out and look out over the ocean. And I used to think as a small child, wow, it is so high. But now when I look at it, it's really not that high at all.
So let's turn the camera around and take a look. So you're talking about up there. Right at the top.
And it was probably one of the highest peaks probably at the time.
And I don't think they do that. I don't think they can do that anymore, do they?
I doubt it. It's been years since I've been in there, so I'm not really sure.
The Gay Dolphin. 75 years. Right? And counting.
Come on in to the Gay Dolphin. door stopper. Good way to show your butt. Level 2, something new.
And here's a view to Ocean Boulevard from the Gay Dolphin.
The wise gypsy has prepared a little poem just for you. Life is mostly froth and bubble. Two things stand alone. Kindness in another's trouble. Courage.
Well, we're back where we started, right on the corner of 9th Avenue and the Strip.
There's Tony coming out.
And we did it all with Tony today in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Make sure you go check out Carolina Tony. The link is in the description below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and as always, keep beaching.